The 2nd Brigade Combat Team, 82nd Airborne Division, deployed in support of Operation Inherent Resolve, have pushed further into Iraqi security force formations as a supporting effort, performing their advise and assist mission to help ensure the military defeat of the invaders proclaiming themselves the Islamic State.
The soldiers out of the 1st 73rd Squadron and the Federal Police, we've all moved up to here to Hamam al-Alil. This is really in support of the Federal Police's, they're part of the attack into West Mosul. It's where the Federal Police decided to go. So as we partner with them, we'll go wherever they decide to, wherever they invite us into to assist them. And we can help assist the Iraqis on the ground by bringing firepower from both the air as well as artillery in support of their maneuver. Federal Police have proven themselves once again to be an extremely competent and professional fighting force. They've done a great job, and they are certainly well on their way to victory here in Mosul and in the rest of Iraq.